Latest on the transfer news and what about Vanilo, so I'm here to provide a quick update ngeindaba ezenzakalayo ku-PSL regarding the transfer news. Kuyindaba ehamba phambili kuthiwa i-Orlando Pirates to assess the forward uJason Clifford odlala khona le eBulgaria eEurope. Yabo, lo mdlali una-29 years old, has been playing overseas for the past 2 seasons. Orlando Pirates is serious to boost up indlela aba-attacker ngakhona. They're really serious to boost up their attackers. They want another striker okubani okuJason Clifford. Asazi-ke noma Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukumsayina lo mjito lo, but-ke Orlando Pirates are really serious in signing this guy. He's a South African. Izindaba i-Orlando Pirates igcina i-completile i-signing yabani Yanela Mbuthuma oyi-striker futhi odlalela i-Richards Bay FC. Ngiyakhumbula-ke I did a video regarding uYanela Mbuthuma ne-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates iyona team ebemfuna ngempela, amanye ama-team ebemfuna, but they were not serious about uYanela Mbuthuma. He's a striker, umjedi uyadlala, uneminyaka emncane na 23. 23 years old. I saw Orlando Mkwena speaking highly of this player. So, usasayini Orlando Pirates, he will be the new striker of Orlando Pirates in the upcoming season. Njengoba futhi Orlando Pirates ifuna esinye striker edlala le Bulgaria. Kwezinye izindaba iKaizer Chiefs iyalida ngempela ekusayineni uIme Okon. Yabo, bekuneyindaba-ke kule ndaba engiyitholile kuthiwa bekune-meeting between ama-agents ka-Ime Okon ne-management yeKaizer Chiefs ngolesithathu. Yabo, lapho khona bekudiscusswa yena umjida nokujoyina iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, izinto ziyakhanya ngempela iKaizer Chiefs ingamthola uIme Okon ngoba uzobe yi-free agent njengoba le season nje iphela, uzoba yi-free agent ekupheleni kwalenyanga le. iKaizer Chiefs izoyitholela i-defender eliyi-quality elidlalela iBafana Bafana right now. So Ime Okon iKaizer Chiefs izomthola i-deal iku-90%. Asazi-ke mhlambe khona ama-teams azofika i-hijack le deal le, because Orlando Pirates nayo ikhona kwi-race, but-ke we don't know, maybe ama-agents angabuka amanye ama-team abone ukuthi amanye ama-team eza nani, but iKaizer Chiefs right now are leading into signing uIme Okon. Kwezinye zeyindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs iyalida futhi ekusayineni ubani uSipho Mbule. Yabo, iKaizer Chiefs iyalida ekusayineni uSipho Mbule. Now uSipho Mbule wants to go to iKaizer Chiefs after i-management yakhe uSipho Mbule im-offerishile kuKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, iKaizer Chiefs, they are a bit skeptical, but-ke they are willing to sign uSipho Mbule even though zikhona inkinga anazo. Yabo, ba-unsure, but they are willing to sign uSipho Mbule. Na amazulu akhona kwi-picture, but Kaizer Chiefs iyona elidayo kumsayineni Kaizer Chiefs. Ngangitshela ama-comments, should Kaizer Chiefs go for uSipho Mbule even though enazi inkinga zakhe lezi, yabo, zophuza utshwala niyazazi futhi inkinga zaSipho Mbule angifuni ukuyidalula kakhulu. Yabo, ngangitshela ama-comments, but-ke he's a good player nonetheless. He's a good player. Each and every team like uPhethe Premiership would love to have a player like uSipho Mbule. Inkinga anazo yena. Yabo, ngoba yena mhlawumbe iKaizer Chiefs ingazama ukuthi lezo inkinga ikwazi ukuyixazulula, umjidi akwazi ukudlala kahle. Yabo, but-ke Orlando Pirates ayikho esithumbeni sokumsayina uSipho Mbule. Yabo, ayikho nje esithumbeni sokumsayina uSipho Mbule. Akhona ama-team amfunayo, amazulu akhona kwi-picture, but iKaizer Chiefs right now iyona elidayo kumsayineni uSipho Mbule. The former Raleigh attacking midfielder uKabelo Mahlasela is linked to Richards Bay FC. Richards Bay FC nabafethu right now iyalanda abadlali abaningi kakhulu, but abadlali balanda for me I don't think by quality for Richards Bay. Angazi kwenzakalani. I feel like iBay next season izostrugglisha kakhulu mase ubheka abadlali balandayo. Ezostrugglisha kakhulu iBay, because ngizwile phela ngosikhathi idedela ulumfana lo uYanela Mbuthuma. Ekumdedeleni kwakhe uYanela Mbuthuma, they went for uGabadeni Nomhango. uGabadeni Nomhango ungomunye wabadlali abadedelwe iMarumo Gallants. Yabo, njengomunye wabadlali abadedelwe iMarumo Gallants uboyi-free agent. So i-Richards Bay ihambile umlanda, uzojoyina nje i-Richards Bay kule season entsha ezoqala. So angikho mnandi ngale indaba, but-ke uGabadeni Nomhango he's that player ohlezi e-rechange each and every season. Mangakhe nje ama-team asewadlalile uGabadeni Nomhango in the last 5 seasons. Yabo, so maningi ama-team asewadlalelile and akasenalo impact since he left Orlando Pirates. Akaze afike kwi-team ayiniyeze leyo impact i-team afika kuyona uGabadeni Nomhango. So for me umjida, yeah, sekusele igama nje ukuthi uGabadeni Nomhango, the former Orlando Pirates and Bidvest striker, but-ke yabo akasenayo leyo it factor. Kwezinye zeyindaba iKaizer Chiefs face another major blow in the transfer market. Kuthiwa the highly rated Mali goalkeeper uDjigui Diarra, a top target. He's a top target for uNazruddin Nabi. Is now advanced talk with i-Turkish giant iGalatasaray. Yabo, lo mdlali obefuna uNabi kakhulu sekufike enye iclub-ke kwi-picture right now ebizwa ngani iGalatasaray edlala le eTurkey. Yabo, asazi ukuthi yiphi team ezomthola fast lo mjida lo, but-ke umjida might choose to go to Europe. Any player any player ofuna ukudlala ibhola elikhulu ofuna ukhola kakhulu angakhetha ukuyodlalela iGalatasaray. Siyazi iGalatasaray inabadlali abaningi abatop abadlali abanjengo Victor Osimhen, abadlali abanjengo Leroy Sane abazosayina kule transfer window le. So asazi ukuthi ungakhetha iKaizer Chiefs noma iGalatasaray. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iHighlands Park have been docked over 50 points for fielding uFranklin Ogbonna, which is the number 25, who used fraudulent visa documents. Yabo iGomoro United have been elevated to first position and represent iGauteng ku-2024-2025 ABC Motsepe League National Playoffs. Indaba ezingekho komnandi lezi, but ke iHighlands Park yadlalisa umdlalo waseNigeria owasebenzisa ama-visa documents angekho emthethweni. This is not professional. This is not professional. Angifuqa manga, but ke isiyehlisiwe ke iHighlands Park ithathelwe 50 points. Imagine ithathelwe 50 points. Kwathi iGomoro United yona ezodlala number 1 represent iGauteng kuma ABC Motsepe National Playoffs. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa Kaizer Chiefs are taking 4 TTC players to the Netherlands kwi-preseason. Bahamba ke namhlanje uThulani Mamaso, uManqoba Ozemena, uNaledi Hlongwane noKabelo Nkwesa. Yabo iwona ke la TTC players athathiwe ayojoin iKaizer Chiefs kwi-preseason lapho khona beyo-assessa khona i-team for the upcoming season. Kwezinye izindaba, the newly promoted Betway Premiership side, Durban City FC, have set sights on the midfielder uCelumpilo Ngema, who is a free agent after parting ways with AmaZulu FC. AmaZulu FC now abadedelile abadlali. Right now they are looking management uCelumpilo Ngema. Ibisikhulumile ne-management Durban FC. Yabo, both parties are really interested with deal. So singambona uCelumpilo Ngema ejoina iDurban City FC ekuqaleni kwele season ezoqala nje. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa the Kenyan international defender Brian Onyango will leave Stellenbosch FC at the end of June when his contract expires. The 30-year-old played 470 minutes in the 2024-2025 season. Yamkhumbula bafethu Brian Onyango, the former Mamelodi Sundowns, uzoyishiya iStellenbosch FC. iStellenbosch FC na sasayina u1 year contract nalomjidelo. Abathi sede ungayirenew icontract yakhe. Yabo uzoyishiya ke iStellies asazi uyiphithe mazoyi join la ku-Betway Premiership. There are many teams you can join la ku-Betway Premiership. iDurban City nje iyakhuphuka right now. Asazi noma uzoyijoina noma cha. They need quality players their team there. So Durban City is a perfect choice for me. Angazi kuwena kuma comments wangitshela ukuthi umjida angajoina iphi club, but ke Durban City is a perfect choice for Brian Onyango wesayijoin. Kwezinye izindaba, Kaizer Chiefs have reportedly ended their chase for uSiphelele Mkhulisi after Mamelodi Sundowns triggered this contract option. Yabo amakhosi will now look elsewhere to strengthen their squad. Yabo ngiba sakwazi ukumthola uSiphelele Mkhulisi. Sundowns isirenewile ioption yokuthi umjida aqhubeka ahlale kuMamelodi Sundowns. Kwezinye izindaba, Botswana international uThatayone Khamanyane could be on his way to iMarumo Gallants from iGoborane United. His former team iChippa United is also in the mix. Bamfuna impela umjida. So umjida udlalela i-team ethiwe iGaborone United. iGaborone angiyazi le team le, mhlawumbe i-team yaseBotswana. Yabo umjida ke ifuna iMarumo Gallants neChippa United. Asazi ukuthi imapha ama-team azowumwina, but ke umjida ngenzeka abuye ku-Betway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba eziphuma manje kuthiwa the midfielder uSaketso Moremi, on 27 years old, will be joining iPolokwane City from iPretoria Kellies. Lo mjida lo bedlala le kuPretoria Kellies. Right now uzobuyela ku-Betway Premiership adlalele iPolokwane City. 27 years old, ngimfisela okuhle ku-future yakhe nePolokwane City.